Hello, wine lovers and curious minds. If you're watching this, chances are you're a wine beginner who wants to finally understand this magical world without feeling lost at the store or awkward at tastings. You're in just the right place. Today, I'm going to guide you step by step through the basics of wine knowledge. What matters, what's just noise, how to taste, how to buy, how to pair, and how to truly enjoy wine, just like the insiders do. If you're ready, grab your notebook or, even better, a glass of your favorite wine or grape juice, because there are no rules. And let's begin this delicious journey. Quick question for you. What's your usual go-to drink? Drop it in the comments. I'm curious to see what our community is sipping tonight. Let's break a myth right now. Wine is not rocket science. It's crafted from fermented grapes, with thousands of years of history behind every bottle. Still, at the heart of each one, you'll find just four things: grapes, time, place, and care from the winemaker. Forget the snobbery. Anyone can learn to taste and appreciate wine. You don't need to memorize every region or grape, own expensive gadgets, or have a diploma. All you need is curiosity and a willingness to taste. What's the most intimidating thing about wine for you? Is it the odd words sommelier throw around, the confusing labels, or is it the fear of choosing the wrong bottle? Here's a fun fact. Most professional wine tasters use a basic vocabulary, and even they sometimes disagree about smells and flavors. So relax and trust your own senses. Tasting is at the heart of wine appreciation. It's not just about drinking, it's a little adventure for your senses. Here's the classic step-by-step approach for every beginner. Step 1, look. Pour a bit of wine into your glass. Give it a swirl to release the aromas. Look at the color in natural light. Reds can be deep purple, brick red, or even brown with age. Whites might sparkle like pale straw or shine golden. This color reveals clues. Is it a young, fresh red or an older, richer wine? Is the white light and crisp or full-bodied and aged? Pro tip: hold your glass over a white napkin or paper. The color is easier to see and compare. Do this with friends for instant conversation. Step 2, smell. Now comes the fun part. Stick your nose into the glass, no shame, and sniff deeply. What do you smell? Fresh berries, citrus, vanilla, pepper, maybe something woody or earthy? There are no wrong answers. Smelling is personal. Sometimes you'll notice scents you can't even name. Go with your gut. Step 3, taste. Take a sip and let the wine swirl around your mouth. Is it sweet, dry, tart, or smooth? Do certain flavors jump out at you, like cherry, apple, lemon, mint, or chocolate? The finish tells you a lot. Is it short and refreshing, or does it linger? Here's a twist. Let the wine breathe in your mouth with a gentle slurp of air. It wakes up new flavors. Step 4, feel. Wine is as much about the feeling as the flavor. Is the wine light and refreshing, warming and bold, crisp and energetic, or mellow and soft? Texture matters, and it's often what sets your favorites apart. Think and rate. Most importantly, do you like it? Why or why not? If you're with others, give your wine a score and a reason for extra fun. Learning just a few main grape varieties will prepare you for almost any wine menu. Cabernet Sauvignon, powerful with dark fruit, often a hint of spice or tobacco. Merlot, softer, plum, often a crowd pleaser for new drinkers. Pinot Noir, lighter, elegant, with cherry, earth, and floral notes. Syrah Shiraz, spicy, bold, and dark-fruited. Chardonnay, can be buttery and creamy or crisp and citrusy, depending where it's grown. Sauvignon Blanc, zesty, grassy, with tropical or citrus fruit flavors, perfect for hot days. Riesling, aromatic, can range from sweet to ultra-dry, always has lively acidity. Don't skip rosé. These are refreshing, food-friendly, and often affordable. And sparkling wines like Prosecco, Cava, or Champagne make any moment festive. Great wine doesn't have to be expensive. Some of the world's most enjoyable bottles cost less than dinner out. Here's how to shop smart. Explore regions like Chile, Portugal, Argentina, and South Africa. You'll get amazing value. Read the shelf talkers, those little description cards. Ask your local shop for staff picks. Seek out lesser-known grapes. You could fall in love with something new. A wine label usually lists the region, like Bordeaux, Napa Valley, the grape variety, the vintage, year of harvest, and sometimes hints at its flavor style. A fun way to keep track: take a quick photo of bottles you enjoyed and note what you liked or disliked. Build your own memory bank over time. Next time you buy wine, challenge yourself to spend under 15s. Choose something with a grape or region you've never tried. Share your pick in the comments. I'll highlight some bold discoveries in the next video. Pairing wine and food is less about rules and more about discovery. General tips: whites shine with salads, seafood, and lighter meals. Reds sing beside heartier foods like steak, pasta, and grilled dishes. Rosé goes with almost anything. Try it with spicy food or a picnic. Sparkling wines are super with fried snacks or salty cheese. But trust your own taste. If you love red wine with fish, go for it. The best pairing is the one you enjoy. Would you match Pinot Noir with roast chicken or grilled salmon? No one was born knowing wine. The best way to learn? Taste with friends, try new things, and talk about your discoveries. Keep a tiny wine notebook or use an app to remember favorites. Follow channels, join free tastings at shops, and don't be shy to ask silly questions. Here's a little challenge. Start a monthly new wine night. Each time, try something out of your comfort zone. Wine is a global community, and you're now a part of it. You don't need a fancy glass. Use whatever you have. The idea that wine must breathe for an hour is only true for a few heavy reds. Most young wines are ready right away. You can chill reds, especially on a hot day. You can serve whites with steak. Most importantly, price isn't always a sign of quality. Your palate decides what's good for you. When I started my wine journey, I was once so confused I walked out of a wine shop empty-handed, intimidated by the shelves and fancy lingo. Now my best adventures happen with a group of friends, a mixed bag of bottles, and a notebook full of scribbled notes. The best bottle is the one you share with someone and remember years later. Now you're ready to start exploring the world of wine, one glass at a time. Every bottle has a story. Every glass is a new adventure. I'd love to know, what's the very next wine you're going to try, or what's your current favorite? Let's make this channel the best place for wine lovers and curious drinkers. Share your adventures, questions, and dream wine destinations in the comments below. If you found today's guide helpful, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss our next wine journey. Remember, wine is for everyone, especially for you.